So guys, now we are at Hotel FURAMA on 26th floor. So we reach the hotel, we check in very fast. So now after that, my room, how it just looks like, what's the facility they have. Actually this is a executive lounge. So I'm going to take the room number 2603. Yeah. So this is called executive lounge. So we enter executive lounge. My daughter, my wife.
Hello.
So this is the living room actually. In the room they have a coffee, a hot water, cups, and then slides, cup, shoes you can put there. One sofa, chair. If you want the paperwork, you can do the paperwork. It's like one small office as well. And then I show you there's a cupboard also have inside. Maybe you have zip box, which is normally every hotel they have. Even they have a ironing pad, iron also they have. For extra pillows if somebody needed. And then this is before outside. It's actually we were expecting more open, but okay, we got it. It's fine, no choice. We already taken. So this is a place outside we have. Maybe we have our friend. Maybe his room will be more clean because this building compared to our building, so we can have no choice. So now I'll take you to the TV. You already have some TV. I'll just take you to the bedroom. It's a king size bedroom. It looks very nice, good. You have TV. Unfortunately, we can't see anything much from our window because it's very obstructing this building. But it's okay, no choice. But we can see a good room is nice, neat and clean. And then is a toilet we have. It's common, it's as usual, not very much. That's fine. So this toilet we have hot water, cold water as well. Here hair dryer. They have intercom also. So if you need anything, you can. Pretty good. It's value for money. Also, they have given some choices, like they have some choice like breakfast on 24th or 24th. But if you are vegetarian, you have to go floor 30. There are more options there. So they have given daily breakfast is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and evening 5 p.m. until 7 p.m. It's a lounge actually. So breakfast timing actually 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. But drinking and snacks served at 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. We are executive lounge. We are executive club lounge, so we have to go there, and it's complimentary for us. If you invite some customers, some of your guests, this also they accept it, but they charge a minimum. Some laundry service also on some percentage there. You have to pay some values, so they will do for you. It's good, but the club lounge, one thing, child is not allowed below 12 years. So it's good, but my daughter is not allowed to go there. It's okay, they can enjoy on third floor. So they have, it's nice. This guy very neat and new. So we take some rest. After that, I'll show you some other things. Let's see where we go. Alright, take care. See you next video. Hi guys, good morning. So welcome to my channel. Please speak it right now. So we are getting ready for breakfast. We are going to the third floor. There's a lot of vegetarian and non-veg food. Tonight was good. It's really very nice. The room is good, comfy. So let's see. Let's check out what they have in the breakfast. And I'm sure there are good things to come up. So it's this third floor is located on the poolside, and I'm sure this will be nice. So let's go. Come on, follow me. Breakfast. Let's go. Hi, morning. 2603 just now my family. spring rolls, vegetarian, chili roasted Thai beans, dosai here, and then sambar you can select that, and a coconut chutney. I think chutney was first time I was here. So let's have breakfast. Welcome to my channel, Prince Vlog. Another day at the Hotel FURAMA. Now the time is 9 o'clock. We came to the poolside about 8:30. Not crowded, only we three of us. First, beside this cafe, there is beside the pool there is a cafe. It's called Poolside. After having breakfast, another item. I'm not sure what is there. There's this chocolate latte, but pool is okay, small pool, but okay, manageable. Beside us, there's the FURAMA. No, Virgia Times Square. Onwards, this side, you can say but the tower is from the construction is not complete yet. This side also some hotels are there. This is hotel production. Our room side, and also my right hand side, there's a baby pool, small pool. I think it's less than 2 feet or 3 feet, something like that. Small children can play. There is a gym inside the gym there. People can go for after swimming, can go breakfast, anything. The pool is 1.2 meter only, so you cannot jump inside. Just to go, and I'll show you how to. Come on, baby, come on. Hey, come on. Yeah. Woohoo! Like beautiful, but not very beautiful. On this is different building, the third floor looks nice. You can see our eye contact here. That's it. Poolside. You can enjoy now. See you next video. Bye bye.